My favorite part of working with Country Chic is their support and their dedication to the environment. It's just an excellent company to work with. You can't beat the support that you get, and you will be blown away by the product. You know, they give you support and tips, and we have other retailers support. You should go for it. It's better than anybody else that I've dealt with.
They have such heart for their customers, for their products, for their company.
It's environmentally friendly, and we love working with all of the staff at Country Chic. They're so much fun.
But I love that you can distress it, wet distress it. It's so easy. That's my favorite part of it. When I'm doing something, I'm always, if you want to distress your piece, it's so easy. It's got such a nice finish. It's good quality, a good quality piece.
I also think that all of the Country Chic staff really care. They care about their customers or their retailers. They care about the quality of their product and how they present their product. And I think that is their absolute best quality, is that they care. I find the quality of it is top-notch, comparable or better than most other brands that I have used. And the price point is great, and the customer service is the best of any other company I've ever dealt with. And not just the paint, but other suppliers.
They're always coming out with new products, and they have really great YouTube tutorials explaining how to use them. And their packaging is awesome.
The best. Just do it, you will never regret it. We've never regretted it.
Yeah.
I would say to another retailer that was wanting to carry Country Chic paint that you can't go wrong. That this paint is an unbelievable product. The people that are behind the company are like family. They just create great relationships with their retailers.
I'm really excited to see a Canadian company making such a huge impact in a North American market from the US to Canada. And I'm really excited to see a woman be the face of that company and support other women in the way that she is. It's super inspiring for me, and I love that the team of women behind her are also supporting and helping other women, and especially in Canada.
Well, my favorite part of working with Country Chic Paint as a company is, I guess, the people. First and foremost, the people. I've never worked with a company that is so in tune with the retailers and so open to feedback.
The product line itself is fantastic to work with, and they offer a huge range of application processes, from texture to crackle to paint to finishes, and it's a Canadian-made product, so I'm super supportive of Canadian-made.
The product is amazing, so easy to use. It just adheres so well to everything. I cannot tell you how much I love Country Chic Paint. It was definitely the best decision I've made for my business. I've looked into other companies, and there's no other company with a heart as big as Country Chic Paint.
I'm just proud to be a part of selling Country Chic paint, and I'm just so happy that they allowed me to carry it in my store.
My favorite part working with the paint is just the colors and the velvety feel that it has. It goes on well, it paints well. I'm just in love with it. All the colors, and I love the wax finish the best to get that really lovely feel to it.
And as the non-painter, but more the retail person downstairs, so many women are attracted just to the beauty of the packaging of it, and I think that plays a big role in the attraction to it.
Mm-hmm. It almost sells itself. It's so easy to use, and we've always got a project going on in our shop, so we can just take people back to the shop, and I put a paintbrush in their hand and say, look how easy this is, and this is how the wax works, and it usually just sells itself after that. The best quality with Country Chic paint is probably the ease. It isn't difficult, there's nothing complicated about it, and it turns out beautiful. It's very difficult to make a mistake, I think, and if you should, it's easy to rectify.
We've been so happy with the customer service. We've been with Country Chic pretty much from the beginning, I think, pretty close to the beginning, and always have all of our questions answered. Someone always gets back to us. They've been wonderful to work with.
I love the check-ins that they just randomly do, and they just take care of the retailers.
Mm-hmm.
You can't
can't go wrong with this product. The support and staff at Country Chic Paint is absolutely amazing. The customer service is certainly second to none. However, the product also exceeds my expectations. I've used a number of other products on the market, and I can say with confidence this one is the best one.
My favorite part of working with Country Chic Paint is the fact that they're a company that really strongly believes in their product and is there to help the retailer be successful. They give us lots of marketing ideas and all the tools, and any questions we need, they're available, and it's been a great experience.
Everything about it is great. The no VOCs, the color combinations, and just flat out easy to use. If you're thinking about becoming a retailer for Country Chic Paint, I can't encourage you enough to go with this company. Fabulous people, fabulous service.
It's a lot easier than we thought it would be. I think a lot of people would be very intimidated. I think it was going to be really difficult or really expensive, and it's just not that at all. And the paint's such a great product, and all the different accessory items that go with it, it basically sells itself. It's such a great product. It's so versatile. We tried a lot of different paints, and then once we used Country Chic Paint, we never went back.
We love Country Chic Paint.